Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are discussing 6th class mathematics assignment number 10 related to number system. Here is the first question. A number in which sum of all factors is equal to twice of the number is called. Twice of the number is called. So, twice of the number is called dash number. The definition: a number is a number in which sum of all factors is equal to twice of the number is called dash number. That number is called perfect number. Perfect number. For example, if you take 6, so what are the factors of 6? Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6, right? So here a number in which sum of all factors. What are sum of all factors? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. How much that is equal to? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. So this 12 is nothing but 2 into 6. So is equal to twice of the number. Is this sum of all factors is equal to twice of the that number. So the numbers are called perfect numbers. So the correct answer is 1. Now coming to the next problem. The natural numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself, are called dash numbers. The natural numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself, are called dash numbers, are called prime numbers, are called prime numbers. Suppose you take 2, you know 2 is a prime number, right? Why you call this 2 is a prime number? What are the factors of 2? 1, 2. That is 1 and number itself. Number itself are the factors of 2. Suppose you take 5, you know 5 is a prime number. Why it is called this is prime number? This what are the factors of 5? Factors of 5 are 1, 5. 1 and number itself. 1 and number itself. Suppose you take 11. What are the factors of 11? 1, 11. 1 and number itself. 11. These two are the factors of 11. That's why this 11, 2, 5 and so on are all called prime numbers. What are the definition of prime numbers? The natural numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself, are called dash numbers, prime numbers. Right? Coming to the next. The number of prime numbers between 1 and 10 is. Between 1 and 10 is. So 1 and 10. 2 is a prime number in between 1 and 10. 3 is a prime number. Next 5 is a prime number. Next 6 is composite number. Next 7 is a prime number. 8 is composite number. And 9 is also composite number. So how many prime numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 prime numbers are there. So the number of prime numbers between 1 and 10 is 4. So total number of prime numbers between 1 and 10 is 4. Now coming to the next problem. The number of primes between 10 and 110. 10 and 110. We know that the number of prime numbers between 1 to 100. 1 to 100 is equal to 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. 1 to 10, already in previous problem we will discuss. How many? 4. 1 to 10, 4 prime numbers are there, right? Now 100 to 110. 100 to 110. How many prime numbers are there? 101, 103, 107 and 109. These 4 prime numbers are lies between 1 and 10. Here 1 to 10, 4. So 1 to 100, how many prime numbers? 25 prime numbers. So 10 to 100. 10 to 100 means, so 1 to 110, how many? 1 to 110, how many? This 4 plus 25, right? 4 plus 25, 29. But in our problem, they are asking 10 to 110. So you subtract 1 to 10 between how many prime numbers? Between 1 to 10, 4 prime numbers. Subtract from 4, that is equal to 25. 25 prime numbers are between 10 and 110. So 25 prime numbers. Now coming to the next problem, which of the following is a perfect number? We are discussing the sum of all factors of a given number is twice that number. Then those type of numbers are called perfect numbers. Here in our first option 28. What are the factors of 28? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is not a factor. So 4 is a factor, 5 is not factor, 6 is not factor, 7 is a factor. Next 8 is not a factor, 9 is not a factor, then 14 is a factor and 28 is a factor. What are the sum of these all? 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28. So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 14 28, 28 plus 28 56. This is equal to 56. 56 is nothing but 2 into 28. So sum of the factors of 28 is 2 times the 28. So this 28 is a perfect number. 28 is a perfect number. If you see that 24, suppose you verify 24. 24, what are the factors of 24? 2. 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 6. Next 8. Next 12. Next 24. If you add some 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 8 24, 24 plus 12 36, 36 plus 24 60. But 60, this sum is 60, sum is equal to 60. So this can be written as 2 into 30, right? So the sum of all factors of 24 is not equal to 2 times that number. That's why this is not a perfect square. Same thing, 26 and 38. You verify, find all factors of 26 and 38, then you add. If you get 2 times the 26, 26 is also a perfect square. Perfect number. 38, if you find all factors of 38, then you add all the factors. If you get 2 into 38, so that is also a perfect number. So here these two are not perfect numbers, these three. So 28 is a perfect number. Thank you, students.